Hello, fellow trans lovies. I'm your girl, Lady, bringing you your hottest news. So, if you're new in this channel, please do not forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and also leave a comment below. So, guys, ziyanyuka kakhulu insolo zokuthi the seller, the DJ, might be pregnant for the second time. It's been judged from the picture, from the video she actually took, and it's like she was showing up some sort of a bum a bump photo, a picture of a bump. But anyways, we are not sure. But lately, she actually put it to her Instagram. She said she gonna drink virgins till further notice. And recently, all the pictures she takes, it's like she's showing us some sort of a bump photo. Anyways, let's just check and see if she is pregnant or not. So okay guys, thank you for watching. I'm out till next time.